How to change your birthday on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on Twitter. First go to Twitter and now go here and then click this one, and now all you need to do is just click edit profile and then click this one, birthday. Click on it and then click here and then click edit, and then you can change it to anything you want and then click continue and click save and then confirm. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.